my glasses broke. Look at them now.
Oh, I think I have a solution.
Who are you?
The glasses repair.
Thanks. Have it back by Tuesday.
Yeah. Okay, so you broke your glasses and you just can't fix them. Well, you come to me and I fix them with tape. Yeah, tape. That's probably what you're thinking. Tape? Why tape? Tape is cheap. But no, tape works. Another thing you'll need is your broken glasses. And if your thingy-mabobby broke, then a marker. And if your nosebud broke, just stack up a bunch of tape. Okay, so I'm thinking you'll need about 3 pieces to fix this type of shape of glasses.
It's not my fault the glasses broke, Mom. They fell.
You better fix them!
Sorry, Dad.
It's okay, sweetie.
Okay, so now we'll have to do it on this side.
Make your eye like this.
And one more piece, and we're done with the lens. Oh boy, it's almost Tuesday. I only have 1 more hour. Okay, so next, we'll put the marker here. And tape it. Tape is a wonderful utility. Utilities are great, especially tape, if you know what I'm talking about. Music, please. Music makes me work faster.
Okay.
Whoa, I'm speedy. Oh. Stop turning off the music. It makes me go slow. I think she's here to pick up her glasses.
Barney, I'm here.
I think I did it. Come in.
So are my glasses repaired?
Yup. Try them on. And
Whoa, they're great. Whoa, I almost broke my glasses again. What do I do?
you use clips. And you clip it to your hair. And if you're a boy with long hair, I personally don't think you should have hair, but yes. But there she is, like brand new.
And you also have a marker in handy.
Yep.
Whoa, I can see so much better than I did before. Thanks, glasses repair.
No.
Gotta go.
No problem.